Local news for Friday the 11th of October. The Marston Arts Quarter is holding a free party on Labour Day Saturday, October 26, with activities planned around the CBD block and into nearby Queen Elizabeth Park. An extraordinary range of over 25 fun things to do from 10 till 2 at the block party are free of charge and for all ages. Preliminary election results will be available tomorrow for most areas, with all three councils having a mayoral race and strong interest in trusts and in particular Masterton and Carterton district councils. Voting closes at midday tomorrow and forms can be hand-delivered to council offices. Keen learners can experience what UCOL Wairarapa has to offer at the Campus Open Day on the 23rd of October. Facility tours, live demonstrations and hands-on activities will all take place. And in sport, the Farriers at Wairarapa Bush are away tomorrow to take on Mid-Canterbury and Ashburton. Win or lose, a number of scenarios could play out to see them home or away in the next 2 weeks. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.